Spiritual leader Pandit Dhiren Shastri of Bageshwar Dham, currently on a 7th-day foreign tour, raised eyebrow in Sydney during his discourse. Shastri expressed concern over rising post-marriage murders in India, referring especially to the high-profile Indore Raja Raghuvanshi case. He said incidents like this are creating fear among unmarried men. Even I have started fearing marriage, he said. His comments have sparked discussion on growing relationship-related crimes and shifting mindsets of youth towards marriage. With his massive youth following, Shastri's statement is making waves across social and news media. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav held a high-level review meeting on Thursday at Atal Bihari Susashan and Policy School. He focused on the departments directly under his command. In presence of Chief Secretary Anurag Jain, Yadav examined progress report and pointed out lapses in priority projects. He directed officials to act swiftly where work has slowed down. The review signaled the CM increasing emphasis on accountability and fast-track governance. As the state gear up for major policy rollouts, these reviews are expected to continue weekly. The Bharatiya Kisan Sangh in Madhya Pradesh has issued a stern warning to the government over its failure to procure urad and moong on minimum support price. The farmers' body is demanding the state immediately send a purchase proposal to the centre. If ignored, they threaten to lead lakhs of farmers to Ghirao Chief Minister's residence. The union claim pulse growers are facing major losses and frustration is peaking. With sowing season underway, the standoff may escalate quickly unless government step in. Bhopal's new Ashbagh railway overbridge, shaped at an unusual 90-degree curve, is facing heavy trolling on social media. Memes and sarcastic posts are calling it a design disaster. The ridicule reached authorities, prompting PWD Minister Rakesh Singh to order a formal inquiry. Officials visited the site on Thursday to assess the construction. Meanwhile, opposition Congress has seized the moment to criticize the government's infrastructure planning. The bridge was meant to ease traffic, but instead it is a turn into a viral punchline. Following a tragic passenger aircraft accident in Ahmedabad, the BJP in Madhya Pradesh has cancelled all events scheduled for Thursday. Professional meets and press briefings under Sankalp Se Siddhi in multiple districts were called off. Even a major professional conference at Thakre Auditorium was cancelled. The decision reflects the party's response to the sombre national mood. The Chief Minister also expressed sorrow on Twitter, praying for all passenger safety and calling the incident heartbreaking. Preparation for the Madhya Pradesh Assembly's monsoon session are in full swing. The session is likely to start in the 3rd or 4th week of July. This time, the entire legislative process will be conducted digitally through the e-Vidhan system. Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar and Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav have begun discussion on finalizing session dates. The Assembly Secretariat has started drafting proposals. The move is seen as a major leap towards digital governance and transparency in legislative work. Santosh Pandey, former BJP District General Secretary from Khandwa, died by suicide after consuming poison. Distressed over an ongoing property dispute, he took the step inside his private office in Singhat Talai. He was rushed to Indore in critical condition but didn't survive. Before dying, Pandey recorded 3 videos detailing the reason behind his suicide. The incident has shocked political circles and sparked renewed call for dispute resolution mechanism and mental health support among political workers. Madhya Pradesh has reported its 3rd COVID-related death of 2025. The deceased, a 52-year-old woman, had pre-existing chronic asthma which worsened her condition. The case was confirmed via the Union Health Ministry officials' COVID-19 dashboard. Though overall infection remain low, health officials are urging citizens, especially those with comorbidities, to remain cautious. The latest fatality serves as a reminder that COVID still poses risk for vulnerable groups and seasonal infection could further complicate conditions. The Madhya Pradesh League 2025 kick off today with an exciting match between Gwalior Cheetahs and Chambal Ghadials at the Shrimad Madhavrao Sindhya Cricket Stadium in Gwalior. The game starts at 7:30 p.m. Famous wrestlers Great Khali arrived at Gwalior Airport to officially begin the tournament. Gwalior Cheetahs, led by experienced batsman Rajat Patidar, have strong players like Vikas Sharma and Ajay Mishra. Chambal Ghadials are led by Harpreet Singh Bhatia and include fast bowler Kuldeep Sen and all-rounder Aryan Pandey. Both teams want to win this opening game to build confidence for the rest of the season. Fans can watch live score, commentary and highlights on the official MP League platform. This match will set the tone for the whole tournament. This is the first match of the tournament and both teams will want to start with a win. The weather in Madhya Pradesh is extremely hot today and will remain the same till tomorrow noon. Bhopal and nearby cities are facing high temperature around 41 degrees Celsius today. The sky will stay mostly sunny with very little chance of rain. Tonight the temperature will drop slightly to 29 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow morning the heat will continue with hazy sunshine. By noon it may reach 40 degrees Celsius. People are advised to avoid going outside between 11 am to 4 pm. As the heat can be dangerous, try to stay indoors as much as possible. This heat wave is expected to last another day. So far the sun blazed down on Madhya Pradesh. Remember, summer may shine bright but your safety matters more.